Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix your wire if it came off from your Magic controller. Now for this job you're going to need a flathead screwdriver like this and a splicing tool like this. You could get one like this, smaller or bigger, at Lowe's or Home Depot for $5 or $10. Now the first step you have to do is make sure your slot is all the way open. So you counterclockwise turn the screw on this end all the way until you hear the click sound, like so. Now, to make sure that you're putting the right wire in the right spot, usually if you turn the Magic controller this side, it tells you what each slot does. Black is ground, green is data, blue you don't have to worry about, red is power. For the most part, it's color coded, but the color of the wire may vary, so usually it's red to red, green to green, and white to black. Now, what you have to do is get the wire that came off. You have to splice it, like so, not too much. Splice it, and then the wire is exposed. Now you twist the wire a few times, and then now make sure that the slot is open. You stick this wire all the way in, and with your flathead screwdriver, you turn it until it's tight. And then now you tug on the wire and make sure it's tight. And then you go back and you make it even more tighter. Now you could hook everything back up and everything should work again.